guys, hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm gonna talk loud because I have my fan on because I was hot on my way here. But it is May 31st. It is currently 4:23 p.m. I can't believe the day is already done. Like, I went outside. Literally, we were outside for like maybe an hour or two, and that was it. What did I want to share? So I went to Taste of Korea. It was very small. That's why I didn't really show you guys. You will literally see me. I didn't even show you guys my corn dog. I forgot I was filming, but it was nothing much really to film. It was literally like a small little building. It was in the Bronx, so I live in the Bronx, but it was in another side of the Bronx, not near me. So I did have to travel like about 40 minutes to get over there. But like, I just feel like having Korean food. But definitely, me and my sister are gonna probably go to Japan Fest at some point. Because it wasn't. I feel like with Japan Fest, like there's so much more to do, and I'll link up in the cards like Japan Fest with the ones that I went to. I know I filmed one; it was very short, but I think I filmed it twice. I'm not too sure. But like Japan Fest, they have like K dance, they have all the different stuff. I'm sorry, not K dance. I think it's actually Japanese music, because Korea and Japanese two different places. Sorry, but I really like Korean food, and I like K-pop and stuff like that. So what am I trying to say? So every so often, and I just happened to scroll my social media. It was only for 2 days in the Bronx. It was a pop up, so it was probably that's why it wasn't huge. Like, but if you've ever been to like Japan Fest, for me personally, I like Japan Fest the most. In New York City, we have a lot, so we normally around this time it'll be like Japan Fest. I know there's S'moresburg. I've never went to S'moresburg. I think also because I just didn't care for the food really. They have what is that thing called? They have it in the Bryant Village thing. Or does that happen more so into the winter? I think that happens more in fall. But I think they also have something else in the summer. I don't remember what it's called. We have quite a few like festivals and like food festivals. I'm sorry. In New York City, there's a whole list. If you like Google it, you'll find a list of many of them. But yeah, I did do my calendar really quickly of the days of for sure. I did on the 19th. I'm going to probably find something else to do. I don't know what yet. I just wrote day off because initially I was supposed to go to a concert, but they changed the venue and then there's no longer going to be like preference seating. So I asked for a refund and I am going to get my refund back and my money back. And then, yeah, because I was like, I don't want to go to the concert anymore because if we're not going to get seated, like by seating, it's just gonna be in one venue and kind of like you gotta seat wherever. I didn't pay for that. I paid to sit where I wanted to sit. So but they already gave me a refund. I did get a message on my phone earlier when I was outside, like your refund is in the process. I got it from that the refund is in process to go back into my account, which is great. Oh yeah, but yeah, the Taste Korea was cool. I don't know. It looks like they have it other places, but I know I saw like I was kind of like watching online to see like how it is, but I feel like I saw somebody do a YouTube video from last year and they made it this huge thing. I don't know, maybe they downsized over the years. I'm not too sure, but it was very small. And the way it works, I mean, I guess it's a interesting system. I've never been to Taste of Korea because I normally go, like I said, to Japan Fest. But the way they have it, it's like a board, and then it's like you choose what you want. So let's say we ended up with 11 tickets. 11 tickets together was $38, $38.50. And then pretty much, so you choose whatever you like. So what the guy told us is that we got to go inside, look at the different vendors, and then we choose what we wanted, and then based on that we counted the number of tickets we needed, and then we had to go back outside and say, okay, let's say I want 11 tickets, and then you pay, and then they give you the amount of tickets. So we had to go through the list. We ended up getting a plate of Korean chicken. They gave us 8 pieces, which was not bad, but like overall we were saying like we probably would have gotten more for our bank if we went to like Japan Fest. Like I said, I'm gonna go anyway. I'm not trying to like bash it. I mean, if you want to go for something quick, then yeah, you could go over there. But like after we thought about it, we're like, we didn't really get that much for $38 for two people, because we got like I said, we each got a corn dog, and it wasn't a big one. It was like maybe this size. Because I know sometimes they're like, when I go to other ones, they're like at least this. It was half of that. We got a Korean dog, and then we got the 8 piece of chicken. The 8 piece of chicken we thought was worth it, because we each ate 4 pieces, and it was flavorful. We got like a soy garlic. I showed that for you guys. I didn't show my Korean hot dog because I forgot I was filming. And then we each just got a drink. I do have the drink. I'll show you guys. That was actually refreshing. It was like a matcha and strawberry mixed. But it was really good. That was good. And that was all we got really. And then after that we sat, we listened to a little bit of music. We weren't even in there that long, to be honest with you guys. We were like pretty much in and out. We picked what we wanted to eat, we sat, we ate, and we left. Because it was like I said, it was really small. They had a little, like maybe 2 or 3 more booths outside, but it was not much. It was more like kid activities. So then we hopped on the bus back, and then we went from the bus to the train. The last thing that I want to show you guys, because I've been saying I wanted some new sneakers, but also I need to wear some sneakers that I have, because I need the way that my feet is set up, I need comfort, like sneakers that I can wear. If I'm gonna walk all day, they need to be comfortable sneakers. Like I have sneakers that I don't mind wearing, like if I'm gonna go from, how do I say this? Like if I'm not gonna walk long distance, like I can wear it. Like I have these sneakers that I bought last year when I was in Florida. That I remember they're kind of tight and you gotta break into them, and I don't got time to break into them right now. Does that make sense? Like that sneaker, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I might start wearing it in the summer so I could really break into those. But I wore it a few times and I stopped wearing it because they're not comfortable for work. I can't wear them. They're like these Nike Zoom Air. I was just looking through my sneakers just now, like when I came back, because I just bought a brand new one. Then I washed one of my Nikes that I got. I think I got those from, I got it on deal too. It was like about $60 from, what is this, Famous Footwear. Those I was wearing off and on, but I stopped wearing it because under the shoes got sticky. So I just washed those, but they're still not dry inside. So, and then I've been faithfully wearing my New Balances. Like there's like these 3, and then I have the Nike Vermeeros, the white ones. It has a hole in it, but I was still faithfully wearing it. But I might just throw it out and toss that one out. And then I have these Puma. I was looking through my sneakers and I said I'm gonna kind of switch out my sneakers, so I'm not always wearing the New Balances, because I've been wearing those out too. So I'm gonna actually try out the Pumas, which I'll show you guys really. Trying to put some of my sneakers up because there's too many. These are Pumas, but the reason why I think I picked these out were because they have the soft foam comfort, and under my feet always hurts. I need like good comfortable shoes, or my feet will hurt by the end of the day. And I walk a lot. I'm on my feet all day at work, so I need something good. So I'm gonna test this out for a few days this week. I only go to work 3 days this week. 2 days were remote. So I'm gonna test it out tomorrow. Let me see how my feet feel. Because this is the thing. I have sneakers and I want it to be like I'm not wearing them. I did wear this a lot though. The last time I wore these was when I went to Disney Cruise, which was, oh my gosh, 3 years ago, I believe. I can link it up there. Go check out my Disney Cruise vlog. I actually did like Disney Cruise. If I could go again, I would definitely save up and go again some year from now. But also with the hantavirus, I don't know if I want to be going on anybody's cruise, to be honest. But yeah, I'm gonna try wearing them tomorrow. And then so I can switch out my student, because I just feel like I'm always putting on my New Balance because I like those. But also because they're comfortable. I had been choosing between those, my Nike Vermeeros that I have, the white ones, and then also my my Jordans, but those are also not good walking shoes. I break them in to be walking, but like for long distance, really it's not. It's more, I feel like those are more cute sneakers. But let me quickly show you guys the ones I just bought first. So I was like, let me just check, because I've been going back and forth. I was back and forth, so I wanted to get the New Balance, the black ones. My siblings both have the same one, but my sister said she didn't really like the lace on them because it keeps on coming down. So I was like, then I don't know if I really want those. And then also, I don't have to copy my siblings. They just both happen to get the same ones. So I've been saying I want another one of the Nike Vermeero ones, because I wear those a lot to work, the white ones. So I ended up getting the Nike Vermeeros. I don't know if I'm gonna, like I said, I don't want to just wear them now. Honestly, I might not even wear them. I think these might just be the sneakers I wear to vacation. I tried it on to make sure that they fit, but they're the black ones. So this is exact ones I have, but mine's is like white, and the ones that I have, they're like white grayish. So I got the black ones. So I might not even wear it yet. I kind of just want to break in my other sneakers and then pull this one out. But I realized, I'm like, I don't really have any black, just plain black sneakers. All my sneakers are like some next color, neons, pinks, and whites. And not that I don't like color, but I'm like, you know what, let me just get a fully black one. So that's what I ended up getting. These Nike Vermeeros. This is fully black. These are the V5, I believe. Let me just see. Does it say it on the box? Yeah, these are the V5 runner. You see? And that's why I was saying got these two, because these are good for walking. That was really what I was looking for. Like I need some good ones that I'm gonna be on my feet all day type of sneakers. And my sister was like, well, you should definitely get these because they're more for like running. The one she's I'm not making any more purchases. I feel like you guys always see me with the purchase. I'm done with the purchasing. Oh, that's what the good thing is though. I got rid of a lot of stuff. I actually just threw out the bag earlier. You guys saw me cleaning really quickly, and I was shredding paper because that was the last of my things. I have a few more things that I need to just pick up on the back of my room, but I'm done for today. Back to back, yesterday and today I was like cleaning. I got a lot of stuff out. I did a whole new third bag of clothing to go to Salvation Army. I went through more of my clothes and was like, I don't need these, toss it out. I didn't go through my summer clothes. Like honestly, I feel like I'm wearing majority of those stuff in my summer clothes. There might be a few items in there, but I'm not gonna tackle that anytime soon. I think most likely though, I'll be wearing my summer clothes is up minimum one bin. I did purchase a few new stuff that you guys did see, but again, I always rewear my stuff, so it's not that's not crazy. The only thing last week I got, which I tried the skirt. Most like I'm gonna be wearing it for vacation. I'll probably be wearing it during summer too. Um, but I got this Hollister skirt. One thing I think I should also go look through, but I'm not doing that today or tonight, I should say. Now I'm gonna go sit down. I feel like yesterday I didn't really sit down because I took a nap at some point and then went to the laundry, and then it was already like midnight by the time I went to sleep. So, and then when I woke up this morning, I went up early because you guys see me. I had purchased a door. I need a new door. My door is all broken up, like it's ghetto. So I did buy a new door. They're gonna deliver it tomorrow. Luckily, some people are home tomorrow so that they can retrieve my door. But I probably won't get it installed until next week because somebody has to come and install it for me. But at least I bought the door because it's time for this one to do. Like I'm just looking at it. It's just sad. But yeah. So anyway, but back to this. So I got these Hollister skirt. I tried it on earlier. It actually fits pretty good. And it's stretchy. That's what I was wondering if it's going to be tight. But also, they have shorts in it, which I didn't know when I purchased them. And I got them on a deal last week because I guess because it was Memorial Day weekend. The initial price, I think, I threw it out earlier, so I don't have the paper anymore. But the initial price, I believe, was like 30. I got it for 12, so not bad. So, and then lastly, I just got a bathing suit because I needed a new one. I also need to go through my bathing suits and see which ones I no longer want. But I feel like the old ones that I had, I think I already tossed them out. The ones that I never wear anymore, I'm pretty sure I gave them away, or I don't know what I did with them. But I have to check. But anyway, yeah, I got these two pieces from Old Navy. I forgot how much I got it for because I threw out the thing, but what I liked about it is because I love the ones that where it tucks your stomach in. So I got this two set. It's blue. And then this is the top from Old Navy. The top is kind of big, but then I was telling my sister I think it's fine. I wanted an extra large, but I got an extra large because I do have big up here. So I think it should be fine. It's better. It probably hold it better if you ask me. So that's what I got. And that was really it. I did not go crazy in that store. And then I also got, well, it's in my laundry bag because we did laundry yesterday. I just haven't put my clothes away. That's the other thing I need to do, which I should probably do right now. Just feel tired, but I'm just gonna do it now and knock it out the park. Because if I don't do it now, then I'm not gonna want to do it later. I just got my clothes now. Yeah, this is the Pride Family shirt. It's in blue. And then, oh yeah, talking about that. This week we have a short Spirit Day week. I have to go check my email. I think tomorrow's accessory day. I forgot what the accessories is. So I'll go check that out. Just pick my outfit out right now. I think tomorrow's like 73, so it's not as hot. I was wondering like why I have less clothes, but it's also because I didn't work a full week last week either. So, well, this week I'm working a full week, but 2 days I'm home, if that makes sense. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna put these away and pick my clothes for tomorrow. And while I'm at it, I forgot about these pants. These pants are kind of long though. I feel like I have to wear them with high shoes. I got these from Shein, these star pants. I tried them on, they fit. It's just long because I'm short. So that's why I'm like, I don't normally wear it out. Well, I haven't worn it out for that reason, but I definitely want to wear it. Oh, this is the other thing I got from Charlotte Russe. They're just some shorts, obviously to wear in the house or wherever inside, but I would have wear those outside. And then yeah, that was the other thing that I got. That was from Charlotte Russe, and then I didn't think I got anything else. That was it. All right, sorry, I'm just taking everything out. They're already folded, so which was a good thing. We normally fold in the laundry because it's just, I feel like it makes my life easier. Then when I get home, I don't have to fold. I mean, there's times where we don't fold, but I just feel like it's easier because then now everything's folded. I just need to put them where they need to go, and then you're done. But I've been talking way too much. I am done talking. I do want to edit this, but I don't know if I'm going to edit it now. I kind of relax. Me and my sister want to watch a Barbie thing. I'm gonna text her now and see if she still wants to watch it, because apparently they drop a few Barbie movies, not all of them, but some of them. So I'm gonna see if she still wants to watch that. And then that's pretty much it for my day. It's already almost 5 o'clock. That's it. Bye.